On the Adventure roads, it means a lot to me because it's been the beginning with the Africa Twin. It's my second year here, and it's the opportunity, it brings the opportunity to a lot of customers, journalists, staff to live something that is going to rest on their own minds a lot of time. I think it's a lifetime memory. And try to be with the elbows, hands, body. So you need to surf a little bit, as we told before. Now the start, you will see the end. Today I'm here with Honda, representing the brand as an ambassador and trying to give my best tips, helping all the customers, the staff, just trying to make everything easier and share it with my community.
I think it's so important to create content because it's a way to be closer to all the community, all the people that is following on the channels, and get them feel they are also with us. So I think it's a great part of the event.
Canada.
Good morning, Vietnam!
Well, it's really interesting because it's very cultural. You know, the camera guys are all French. There's a team of Spanish riders. There's a lot of Italian people, people from Monaco, the Germans, Austrians, the people from the UK and Scotland. So what I find super interesting is that when it starts, the atmosphere is a little bit, people stick to their language, but as it goes along, everyone gets to know each other and break through those barriers.
Sun's going down. We've got very little time. We need to. They've just allowed 2 goals. Game on.
One of the initiatives of Adventure Roads this year is we asked all of the riders to bring a football shirt that they can wear and also a football shirt that they could give to the children of Morocco.
Best team, huh?
These relationships are getting stronger and stronger, and it's like I feel like I have, 29 brothers all over the world that I can call anytime if I need advice or want to have some fun. It's pretty cool.
Morocco is magic.
I'm Toshoshine Marzal and I ride for Monster Energy HRC Honda team. The speed of Dakar.
But you have a lot of hope on both sides.
I have really confidence with this event, with all the staff, to have a real adventure here.
Arno for Alessio.
Every participant have a satellite tracker on their motorcycle, and we are able to track them on their journey.
Now I'm with the group, but we're on track at now 71.
The nature of the event itself makes that you can have a surprise every hour, and it's very exciting for us as an organizer to work as a team to fix the issue and to make everybody happy.
Aspettando che arrivino i meccanici, ma non ho trovato alberi e allora mi sono fatto una copertura da sole, se no io evaporavo perché fa caldo. Ecco qua.
Is everything all right? Oh my God. Okay.
We are going to share a lot of time with these amazing people. I'm super happy to be here with all of you guys. You are really warriors because this is so hard.
When I saw the guys from HRC riding on Dakar, living like this huge adventure, I was thinking, how can I ride like them, or someday can I ride with them? The dream comes true here. Can I? Yeah. Okay, let's do it. My name is Libera, I'm from Brazil. I am 36 years old and I used to ride since I am 9 years old. My dad used to ride, and one day I got up on the motorbike and I started to ride and say, oh my God.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow.
I am in Africa, it's my first time here. Morocco surprised me every single day. Everyone is so friendly. I feel safe. I feel happy. I got, I think, the best experience of my life.
What did you listen?
It's a Brazilian music, you know. I decided to share this experience with everybody because in Brazil, I know that a lot of people expecting to live it, so I decided to show to them how nice it is when you decide to do something different in your life and how it can change everything, you know.
For sure, I'm going back home better than when I came.
Cara, do Brasil a gente consegue, né?
Amazing stories. Libera is certainly a very good adventure rider.
The new 500cc world champion, Dave Thorpe, champion for the second year running.
Ready for a new day?
I am ready. I'm really looking forward to it. It should be really cool.
So you will take care of how many people?
I try to get 10 ahead of me. That's what my plan is always. Sometimes it works a little bit funny, but try to get 10 customers ahead and then just cruise on and help where I can. And all of us will be at different points. You will sail through it much easier.
Wow, I mean, I've been really lucky. I've been riding with Dave Thorpe for the last 2 or 3 days, actually, helping us out, marshalling. Incredibly helpful. He's such a presence on the trails. When the conditions get more difficult, sometimes he'll ride in front and say, "Follow me, this is a good line, this is a good technique." That is really helpful. He's like a guardian angel.
Voilà, Dave a fait le boulot, il a descendu la moto et le pauvre le qui remonte. Bon, je suis bon pour lui payer un coup ce soir, quoi.
I need oxygen now. Here at Adventure Roads, everybody come here as a blank piece of paper, and it's very satisfying, day by day, hour by hour, as tough as it's been to see the customers' level of concentration and confidence grow throughout this tour. It's something that will really stick in my mind because it is a true adventure.
My name is Oscar, I'm from Spain, I'm 49 years old, and that's my second on the roads. It's an opportunity to make a special trip with a special bike, with special people. And we can sleep in places like today. We are here in the middle of Atlas, and in a hotel we can do it. Now, here is silence. Old school, yeah.
I love the maps.
I made this track 14 years ago.
Wow.
And all the big roads that made, there is nothing.
Nothing. This is the Dakar, close to the Dakar.
I think in the old Dakars, in 80s, this is one part of a Dakar stage, and they pass like the track we made. We have to make, yeah.
I'm Adrian van Beveren, Monster Energy Honda Rally Team. I'm racing for HRC since 2 years now. I've been learning rally here in Morocco, and it's amazing for rally. You have a lot of different terrains, and it's really the perfect place to race rally, you know. But we've been traveling today. I didn't even know there was a road up there. And this is a part of Morocco I totally discovered, so it was such a good experience.
This is what we come from, no?
Yeah.
Adventure. Africa to
I've been living here a really good package of what is a rally rider life.
This trip feels like it's been a year on the road. There's so many memories. Thank you, Honda Adventure Roads, for the incredible true adventure. It's been perfect.
La limite, c'est le pilote. C'est pas la moto. La moto, elle va partout.
I'm feeling so free. Just me and my motorbike and it. Nothing else matters.
It's kind of therapy for me.
UIP!
You need to do this one time in your life.
Jalan sama.
First round for me. Let's see Adrian.
A new day, good day. Couscous.